I'm Lakshmi. I'm from Karimnagar and I'm presently working at Terixsoft, which is located at Hyderabad. Till my 6th standard, I was in a basic school. I was very good at mathematics. I chose for IIT, and then that continued for my higher education, and then engineering. And then after my graduation, I was about to I joined in CAT, but that did not work well. My father still asked me to continue to take the education for one more year and try it out. I don't want to again put in my future in risk. Then my friend Kavya, she told me that this kind of massage school is there, where you need to sit from morning 9 to night 9. They're going to train you fully on full stack development. The main thing is whenever you're earning, then only you need to pay the fee. It grabbed my attention. Then I started learning from YouTube some basic HTML, CSS, and then the admission started in Masai. I applied it, and finally I got the seat. At the time when I was joining, there was only option for me to full stack, and after my batch, there was an option for Android. I took full stack development course. We have learned the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Redux, in the backend side, Mongo and Express. I took only 4 days of time. In 4 days of time, I attended 3 to 4 companies. My company especially, they were in love with this kind of educational system where Masai School is providing, and they came in contact with the Masai School Shweta, and they even talked to them. And they told, before me telling that, they itself directly contact them and told we were taking 2 people from your school. The only reason behind that was because of Masai School confidence and the education they provide me, which helped me a lot. While joining, there was a question mark in my mind, will I be able to complete 7 months completely from morning 9 to 9, that too back-to-back 6 days in a week. In our company, we have at morning 10:30 we have stand-up. I and Kavya will be the first persons who will be joining the stand-up. After us joining itself, the CTO and the project manager will be joined. I think this is the best example for the discipline what we learned from the Masai School. From the first day of HTML, we sat for only morning 9 to 9. That, and my father got shocked literally. He told me that, Acha, you're sitting from morning 9 to 9, that's great. And he was like, why you're doing all this? Can't you go to CAT? But still I tried. And after 1 week, I cried. I was not in a stage to write at least one line of code. There were people in my batch, they were doing very well. I used to fear. I'm the only one who is not getting. I feared a lot. I cried, and again he told me, just leave this, quit this one. I'm going to talk to them, and you go and join in CAT. Again, I took the help of Sherpa in Masai School. They helped me, and Masai team everywhere. They helped me very much. If they are not in that kind of stage to help me, I would not have completed the 7-8 months. I must have quit within 1 month. In our company, the way of coding standards they were writing is very high. We took only 1 week of time and we were able to write them. And in our present situation, in our company, there were little number of developers in the front end, only 2 main seniors, and each of one has experience of 8 years and the other one has 3 years. I am working on React. So they gave me the project directly on the complete front end. I'm the only one who is working there. They gave me the deadline that this has to be completed within this much time. And so we were able to complete before the deadline itself. They were very happy with our performance. Discipline in coding, I feel them the most important things in the coding, because if you are not focused and concentrated when you're coding, the small thing even may takes you lot of time. Career है, compromise नहीं.